Skylar's first selfie video.
Hi, Sky. Who is that, Sky? Sky, thank you. Sky, how big is the baby?
So big.
So big.
Oh.
Sky, do you know the sign for rhino? Sky, what is the sign for rhino?
C-O-W.
Sky, C-O-W. Oh, excuse me. Sky, what is the sign for penguin? What about monkey? And rhino? What about the sign for elephant? The sign for tiger? The sign for zebra? What about the sign for lion?
Very good.
Where is your nose? Show me your nose. Nose. And eyes. And cheek. And teeth.
Very good.
Forehead. Chin. What about your chin? Chin. And your eyebrow. Eyelashes. Yeah. What about your ear? Your hair? Yeah, good job, Sky Dung Dung.
Very good, sweetie. You're very smart.
Sky, what is the sign for bear? What is the sign for good morning?
Aww.
What is the sign for backyard?
Bigger.
What is the sign for park?
Pork.
What is the sign for book?
Book.
What is the sign for read?
Hit.
What is the sign for train?
Shooting.
What is the sign for boat?
Boot.
What is the sign for baby?
Baby.
What is the sign for Max?
Aw, Mackie Poo.
What is the sign for ice cream? Sky,
Ice cream.
what is the sign for ice cream, Sky?
Ice cream.
Sky, what is the sign for ice cream? Okay, what is your belly button? Do you know the sign for
Cracker?
cracker?
Apple.
Yes.
Do you know the sign for alligator? Alligator. Do you know the sign for ball? Ball.
Yeah.
What about sign for apple?
Very good.
Sign for cheese?
Cheese.
Cheese.
How about cooking?
Cooking. What's sign for cooking? Or what is sign for cookie?
Oh, cookie. How about cookie? That's cooking. How about cookie? There.
Yeah. What is sign for more? Oh, what is sign for grapes? What is the sign for doctor?
Doctor.
Doctor.
How about chicken?
Chicken. Bird. Chicken. Bird.
And what about bird? Bird? How about doggy?
Doggy.
Yeah.
What is sign for rat?
Cat.
What is sign for dolphin?
Dolphin.
What is sign for crab?
Cat.
What is sign for sun? And sky. Sky. But